Welcome to this demonstration of the Maestro KNX server. Maestro is a powerful all-in-one solution for your building automation needs, acting as a central controller. A user-friendly graphical interface, and a versatile gateway between KNX and BACnet, Modbus, MQTT, DMX, and other standard and proprietary protocols. In this video, we'll focus on the KNX to BACnet gateway feature. We'll show you just how simple and efficient it is to integrate your KNX system with a BACnet network using Maestro. Let's get started. The setup tool for the BACnet gateway is Maestro Designer's BACnet extension. After starting the BACnet extension app, you can create a new empty project and import the entire KNX group address database from your .knx proj file. Alternatively, you can open an existing Maestro Designer project. We will use an existing project. In our example, there is only one Maestro Designer project to choose from in the folder. Let's open it. Once your project is open, you will see all your imported KNX group addresses on the right side of the screen. There are 4 columns, showing the group address, its name, description, and data type. If you make changes in ETS, simply re-import the updated .knx proj file into the BACnet extension app to keep it up to date. Creating a BACnet object from a group address is very easy. Just double-click on the KNX group address row, and a new BACnet object will be created on the left side of the screen. The Shift key will allow you to select consecutive group addresses and export them using the export icon in the toolbar. It's also possible to use the Control key for exporting selected group addresses. To sort group addresses by name, description, or type, click the column header you wish to sort by. Let's use the sort feature to export all the group addresses of type alarm. Sort by type. Scroll down to the alarm data type. Use the Shift key to mark all of them. And finally, press the Export button. The filter function is another useful time-saving tool. Enter the term you wish to filter, and only objects matching the term will appear. For example, we will filter by setpoint and use Ctrl-A to select all of them and export them. You can clear the filter by clicking the X icon. If you need a broader view of the BACnet objects, you can switch to the BACnet objects view by clicking the tab on the toolbar. As you can see, in BACnet objects view, type, units, min, and max have been automatically assigned according to the standard conversion between KNX and BACnet. You can edit the different fields of the imported BACnet objects. For example, clicking on ID will allow a custom entry for the object. Clicking on Type will show a drop-down menu where a type for the object can be selected. Notice that only types matching the KNX data type are available. To save time, you can even edit the fields of object groups simultaneously using Shift or Control. If the pull box is checked, Maestro will pull the group address once, on startup automatically. By default, object names are the KNX group address followed by the KNX name. But you can change it from the Settings tab. Let's delete the group address part and leave only the name. Now, when we export group addresses, the BACnet object name will no longer include the group address and will display the name only. Using the Maestro BACnet extension app, you can export every data point and variable of the Maestro Designer project. Let's open the Modbus tab and see the list of Modbus objects included in the Maestro Designer project. In this example, we can find Modbus registers of a Daikin HVAC device. Let's export only the on and off commands. Entering on-off into the filter box will display only the matching objects. Clicking Export will create the BACnet objects. It's that easy. The same applies to serial protocol objects. Let's open the Serial I/O tab. In this example, the Serial I/O tab has data points from the proprietary RS-485 protocol of the SOMFI RF system. These data points can be filtered and exported using the same method. For example, let's filter RF channel unit number 10 by typing CHN_10, and then export all of its communication objects. Back in the BACnet tab, you can view all of the objects you have imported, including the KNX, Modbus, and Serial I/O objects. Once you are finished, you can upload the project to the Maestro server using the Upload Project to Device button in the toolbar. Make sure to save the project when prompted. Enter the host name or IP address, SSH port, and password of Maestro, and click OK. The project will be loaded to the Maestro server. Once uploading is complete, using a browser, connect to the Maestro server and open Maestro Manager. The BACnet setup page is found in the Controller tab. Here you can see if the BACnet server is running, the BACnet settings, and which BACnet objects are imported. Clicking an object will open a view showing its parameters and values. The object list can be exported as a standard BACnet CSV file using the controls at the bottom of the page. To summarize, Maestro simplifies your workflow. In just a few clicks, it automatically generates BACnet objects directly from your KNX proj file, as well as from your Modbus and serial and IP data points. Discover the full capabilities of the Maestro KNX server by visiting our website or reaching out to us today.